Morning, dear students. Today, we'll be discussing about again one of the seven wonders of the world, that is Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu, a pre-Columbian 15th century Inca site, located 2,430 meters above sea level. It is located in Cusco region of Peru, South America, a state of Emperor Pachuchiti was built in classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel located in the eastern cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430-meter, which means 7,970 feet mountain range. It is located in the Cusco region, Urubamba province, Machu Picchu district, above the Sacred Valley, which is 80 kilometers 50 miles northwest of Cusco. The Urubamba River flows past it, cutting through the cordillera and creating a canyon with a tropical mountain climate. Its location is Peru, Cusco region, height 2,430 meters or 7,970 feet, founded in 1450, abandoned 1572, cultures Inca civilization. Archaeologist Hiram Bingham. UNESCO World Heritage Historic Sanctuary of Machu Picchu. Official name. Most archaeologists believe that Machu Picchu was constructed as an estate for the Inca Emperor Pachacuti, 1438 to 1472, often mistakenly referred to as the lost city of Incas. It is the most familiar icon of Inca civilization. The Incas built the state around 1450 but abandoned it a century later at the time of the Spanish conquest. Although known locally, it was known to the Spanish during the colonial period and remained unknown to the outside world until American historian Hiram Bingham brought it to the international attention in 1911. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Its three primary structures are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of the Three Windows. Most of the outlying buildings have been constructed in order to give tourists a better idea of how they originally appeared. By 1976, 30% of Machu Picchu has been restored and restoration continues. For most speakers of English or Spanish, the first C in Pichu is silent. In English, the name is pronounced Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style with polish of dry stones. Its three primary structures are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of the Three Windows. Most of the outlying buildings have been constructed in order to give a tourist a better idea of how they originally appeared. By 1976, 30% of Machu Picchu had been restored and restoration continues. Machu Picchu was declared as a Peruvian historic sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage in 1983. In 2007, Machu Picchu was voted one of the seven wonders of the world in a worldwide internet poll. Next is Petra. It is established as a capital of Nabateans in 6th century BC. The hidden city was famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduct system. In Arabic, the Jordanian city means stone, but archaeologists described it as a rose-red city as old as time. Petra, Al-Batra, ancient Greek stone, originally known to its inhabitants as Rakhmu, is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan. Petra lies around Jabal al-Madba in a basin surrounded by mountains which form the eastern flank of the Arab Valley that runs from the Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba. The area around Petra has been inhabited from as early as 7000 BC, and the Nabateans might have settled in what would become the capital city of their kingdom as early as the 4th century BC. However, archaeological work has only discovered evidence of Nabatean presence dating back to the 2nd century BC, by which time Petra had become their capital. The Nabateans were nomadic Arabs who invested in Petra's proximity to the trade routes by establishing it as a major regional trading hub. Petra. Location: Man Governorate, Jordan. Area: 264 square kilometers, 102 square miles. Elevation: 810 meter, 2657 feet. Built possibly as early as 5th century BC. Visitors: 11,35,300 in 2019. Governing body: